Now will you please listen to me? My dad is gone and I'm all alone.
Young lady, this is a most inopportune time.
Surely your mother knows where he is?
I don't have a mother.
Well, then perhaps... See here, I simply have no time for lost fathers.
I didn't lose him.
Did you say?
Yes.
Did he have a...
I don't know, but he had a...
Ha! I say, do you know him?
Know him? That one, Fidget by name, is in the employ of the very fiend who was the target of my experiment, the horror of my every waking moment, the nefarious Professor Rattigan.
Rattigan?
He's a genius, Dawson. A genius twisted for evil, the Napoleon of crime.
As bad as all that, eh?
Worse. For years, I've tried to capture him, and I've come close, so very close. But each time, he's narrowly evaded my grasp. Not a corner of London's safe, while Rattigan's at large. There's no evil scheme he wouldn't concoct. No depravity he wouldn't commit. Who knows what dastardly scheme that villain may be plotting, even as we speak.
Quite an ingenious scheme, eh, Flabbersham? And aren't you proud to be a part of it?
This whole thing it's monstrous.
We will have our little device ready by tomorrow evening, won't we? You know what will happen if you fail.
I don't care. You can do what you want with me. I won't be a part of this evil any longer.
Very well. If that is your decision. By the way, I'm taking the liberty of having your daughter brought here.
Oh, Olivia?
Yes. I would spend many a sleepless night if anything unfortunate were to befall her.
You wouldn't.
Finish it, Flavisham!
Oh, I love it when I'm nasty. Fidget?
I'll go get my hunting gear. Although I do get to wear my new hunting outfit.
Bright and alert as always.
Here's the list. And you know what to do, and no mistakes.
No mistakes. Tools, gears, girl, uniforms.
No, Fidget!
I'm going.
You know what? Just a squidge. Hold tight.